To book airport transfers on Expedia, start by visiting the Expedia website and clicking on the Things to Do tab. Then select Airport Transfers from the drop-down menu. Enter your travel dates, pick-up and drop-off locations, and the number of passengers. Then click Search. Expedia will display a list of available transfer options, including private cars, shuttles, and taxis. You can filter the results by price, duration, and type of transfer. Select the transfer option that best suits your needs and click the Book Now button. You will be prompted to enter your personal and payment details to complete the booking. Make sure to read and agree to the terms and conditions before confirming your booking. Once your booking is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email with details of your transfer, including the pickup time and location. It is recommended to book your airport transfer in advance to ensure availability, especially during peak travel seasons. Additionally, be sure to check the cancellation policy in case you need to make any changes to your booking. By following these steps, you can easily book airport transfers on Expedia and enjoy a hassle-free journey to and from the airport. This service is available for destinations worldwide and can be booked as a standalone service or as part of a package with your flights and accommodation. Expedia also offers a range of transfer options to suit different budgets and preferences. From budget-friendly shuttles to luxury private cars, the website is user-friendly and easy to navigate, making it simple to compare prices and book your airport transfer online. Overall, booking airport transfers on Expedia is a convenient and reliable way to get to and from the airport, and can help to reduce stress and uncertainty when traveling.